Well, guys, I got the carb rebuilt, and I hooked up my jumper pack here. I put a little gas in the tank. I had the fuel line unhooked from the carburetor, and I cranked over the key, and gas started squirting out. So I'm pretty confident that it's going to run. The little E-clip broke that goes on the throttle linkage here, so I'm going to put a piece of ghetto tape over it temporarily, just as a means to try this out. But I don't have a throttle cable on this machine that works, so that's another limitation in life. But I'm just going to kind of try to hold the throttle in position here. And what I might actually do is try to just completely cut the cable here so it's loose. I think I'm just going to undo the cable and see if the screw will loosen up. Because it's stuck in full throttle right now, and I really don't want it to just go wide open on me here. So there you go, loosen it up a little bit here. So now it's more or less an idle. So let's see what happens. Yeah, baby, it runs. Well, it runs. It's got this rig throttle cables and all this crap on there. Gas tank has rust in it, so I'm sure that it was surging probably because of rust going in the tank there, but the transmission works. We seem to be a go. I guess now I got to get a throttle cable to work, because obviously this thing is no good. And the choke cable is frozen. I think that's beyond repair. Might as well just buy a new one there. But it was working. It was working good. And, you know, this thing is fast. I see what they're saying about the C10s being fast, but hey, it works, and it doesn't smoke at all. I'm really surprised about that. But I think what I'm going to do is drain the oil here now that it's hot and get rid of that old goopy, solid black, crude looking oil that's in there. And, I think that with a little bit of refinement on this throttle carburetor situation, it will be good. I don't think the duct tape on my linkage is really helping matters here either, but it does run. I'm very impressed with that. The fuel pump seems to be good. It's not leaking gas anywhere. But again, like, the tank was empty, but there's a lot of rust in there. So my gut feeling is that it's probably already plugged up the bowl with some rust, with the needle there. Hence our surging condition. So, for now, it's a work in progress, but it works. And I can't wait to throw a mower deck on it and try to mow the lawn. That's really the next step. So, anyways, the C10 lives.